Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and sign a form in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, and from here we can get started. Here you're going to go and be able to download the application, get started with installing it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page. This is the home page from where we can get started, and at the top of the screen you're going to go ahead and be able to see the recommended tools section, which is great to take a look at all the tools that are in our disposal for using Adobe Acrobat. So let's go and take a look at how to go and sign PDFs. As you can see here, we have the official Acrobat Reader help page, from where we can get started with taking a look at what we need to do. As you can see in the tools section right here, you're going to find this option that says fill and sign. This is going to enable us to fill in forms, add your signature, or send to others. So as you can see, once you click on it, you're going to be able to select the file that you want to go and put your signature to. Right here at the left side of the screen, you're going to have the add signature option. That's going to enable you to select your signature, to create it if you do not already have it, and to add your initials, after which you can go ahead and get started putting it on other documents using the fill option right here. And just like that, you can then save it to your PC and sign forms this way. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.